What is going on? Listen, I got myself a new camp stove. This is the first time I've ever bought a product from OnlyFire. So I figured we would take a look at it. All right, so they start you out with a decent little nylon bag, little drawstring, and the unit comes inside. And this is what we have here. All right, so to start out with, what I like to do is I like to detach the hose just to get it out of the way of everything. So then what you have is these little legs, first of all. They're on these little button pipe things. So you push that little button in, and this leg will rotate into position. Same on all three sides. All right, so in this position, you're talking about an 11-inch height on this, right? Except for on the inside of each one of these legs, there's a couple more spots. So you can go all the way up, push the little button in, slide her down. I like to move it to the side slightly and get it past the hole, all the way to 13 inches tall. Right, so all those legs, and then just to put them back into position, you just click the little button again, they flop in, push this button, they collapse. Hose hangs off like this, like I said, isobutane. So a couple of ways you can handle this. If you have a small can, this slots right into position right there, and you could screw your can right here, right side up, right underneath. For maximum BTUs, the trick is you hang these upside down. So first what you're gonna wanna do is, let's attach this, and then, so right here on this very first arm, there's a little latch right here. So you'll see there's a few little gitchies that go up inside of here. These two sit right in there. Then you work this latch and it catches that last one, and your can stays in there just like that. And now upside down, these cans put out just a little more BTUs because you're using liquid instead of the gas off the top. So once you got it all dialed in, you know, you can put these little feet out. You can keep them in for a smaller pot, put them out for something just a little bit bigger. Right here is going to be your knob to control your gas. Ooh, you can see that coming, right? Turn it on slightly. And then right here is a little, just an easy little latch. Lit it right up. And she's burning. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a pot. I'm gonna make a little lunch. That way we'll be getting an idea of, you know, how hot this pan gets, things like that. All right, let's make some grub. Like I said, you just turn this knob right there. You can see the gas coming. Man, she lit right up. Probably melting my lens right now. All right, we're gonna go down to something a little medium-ish. Throw this skillet on there. Let's get her cranked up a second. See how hot we can get her. All right, that's tilted, full blast. Let's give her a few seconds to warm up. All right, we got her at full blast for just a couple of seconds. Let's take a read in. I'm gonna throw the thermometer on there and see what we got. So 561 degrees, 608. I mean, so this thing gets torturous hot. But while she's hot like that, let's put a little sear. So what I'm gonna do today is make a little Italian sausage sandwich. We're gonna throw this Italian sausage right in there while she is sizzling hot still. Get a little sear on that. While she's rolling, I'm gonna cut this pepper up a little bit. Get that on there. All right, we're just gonna throw a little mixed vegetables over on this side. Little onions, little peppers. See if I can't get a little more of that stove into frame for you. All right, let's flip this bad boy. She's sizzling fast. Now, so this ring under here does have a little lip around it, so I'm getting wind blowing through here, but it's fairly blocked. Let's let these vegetables simmer down just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to turn this bad boy off now. On top of my vegetables, I'm just going to add a little bit. This is a sofrito mix. This one's Goyo, so it's got a little cilantro in it, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty much got the right ingredients in there. Just going to mix that around with these vegetables just a little bit, get it heated up. Flip that sausage over. Load these vegetables up top. Slap us a piece of cheese on there and let it melt. All right, we're going to simply throw this bad boy on a piece of bread. Oh, yeah. All right, I'll tell you what. My first product, like I said, from OnlyFire. Slightly impressed so far. I actually do have a couple more products. They had some really great sales this past week. So we're going to look at a few more things from them. But as far as this one goes, I really like it. Now, I don't know how good the adjustable legs are going to work. Like 2 inches, it might only be good for, you know, depending on what size of a can you're going to put underneath it. Might be the only thing. But other than that, you want to throw together a little Italian sausage sandwich? Plenty of heat, plenty of power to do that. Okay, like I said, I picked this one up for myself on Amazon. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm also going to put it in my Amazon store. I appreciate y'all take a look. It really helps the channel. I do make a small commission off of that stuff, but that's what helps me buy products to show y'all, so I'm not always at the mercy of, you know, free demo products. Y'all take a look at this video right here next. I really appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.